Welcome back to Carspedia, the place where car lovers and smart drivers unite. Today's episode could save you from massive repair bills, health hazards, or even potential legal trouble. We're talking about something we all do but shouldn't, leaving dangerous, expensive, or fragile items inside our cars. This list of 20 items you should never leave in your car might surprise you. Because while some of them seem obvious, others are silent troublemakers, waiting to cause harm when you least expect it. Whether you live in the freezing cold of Minnesota or the scorching sun of Arizona, the items on this list can react badly. Too extreme temperatures turn your car into a target for thieves or simply ruin your day. And trust us, number 16 is something even car experts forget about, so grab your keys. Because this episode of Carspedia might just change how you use your car forever. Let's get started. Number 1. Electronics, from laptops and tablets to smartphones. And GPS units, never, and we mean never, leave them in your car. First, they're thief magnets. A visible charging cord is enough to tempt someone into breaking your window. Second, heat damage. Modern electronics have lithium-ion batteries and delicate internal components. When a car heats up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit or more inside, which is common in summer, those devices can overheat, warp, or even become fire hazards. Even if your electronics are hidden under a seat or in the glove box, professionals know where to look. Instead, take them with you or lock them in a hidden compartment if you have one, but never in plain sight. Number 2. Aerosol cans. Think hairspray, deodorant, tire inflators, or air fresheners. These cans contain pressurized chemicals. When your car heats up, the pressure inside the cans increases dramatically. Boom, explosion. There are real, documented cases where aerosol cans exploded inside hot vehicles, damaging dashboards and upholstery or even shattering windows. Also, if a flammable aerosol leaks in your car, the vapors could ignite if exposed to heat or a spark. Store these at home or in temperature-controlled environments. Never leave them rolling around your back seat. Number 3. Wallets or purses. Let's talk real talk. You leave your wallet on the seat just for a quick stop, and that's all it takes. Thieves don't need 5 minutes. One smash grab, and they're going with your ID, your credit cards, your address, and potentially even your house keys if they find your address on a registration slip. Worse, your stolen info can be used for identity theft, which can take years to fully recover from. And here's the kicker. Many insurance companies won't cover personal items stolen from vehicles if left in plain sight. Protect yourself. If it's valuable, take it with you. Number 4. Food. Leaving snacks in the car. Harmless, right? Wrong chocolate melts and oozes into seat crevices. Fast food wrappers stink up your interior. And any perishable food, leftover pizza, burgers, even fruit, can rot quickly and create a health hazard. Even worse, food smells attract pests. Mice, ants, or even cockroaches may find a way into your car, and once they're in, they're hard to get out. So unless you want to turn your car into a mobile cafeteria for rodents, clean out the snacks. Number 5. Important documents. This includes passports, birth certificates, vehicle titles, tax forms, or your social security card. People often forget them in glove compartments or leave them after appointments. Bad move. If stolen, these documents can be used for financial fraud, identity theft, or unauthorized transactions. Also, if your car is stolen with these documents inside, you've got a double headache: a stolen vehicle and compromised identity. Best practice. Store important papers in a locked drawer at home or a fireproof safe. Number 6. Kids or pets. This is the most tragic mistake anyone can make, and unfortunately, still happens every year. Even if it's just 5 minutes, a car can heat up by 20 degrees Fahrenheit in 10 minutes. That means 80 degrees Fahrenheit outside becomes 100 degrees Fahrenheit plus. Inside your car, in the time it takes to check out at a store, heat stroke can be fatal in under 15 minutes, especially for young children or animals who can't regulate body temperature as efficiently. So, no excuses, no matter the weather. Take your child or pet inside with you. Don't leave the car. Number 7. Shopping bags just finished a retail haul. That bag on your back seat screams "Steal me" to any passerby. Thieves don't care what's inside. If it looks new, boxed, or like it came from a store, they assume it's valuable. Even grocery bags can attract interest if they suspect there's alcohol, electronics, or tools inside. If you're running errands and must leave things temporarily, hide them completely, preferably in a locked trunk. Number 8. Sunscreen or lotion nude. Think sunscreen belongs in the car after all. It's for sunny days. But leaving lotion or sunscreen in a hot glove box causes the formula to break down. Not only does it lose effectiveness, but it can also separate or even spoil. And the plastic tubes can leak or burst in the heat, damaging your upholstery or dashboard. Keep it in your backpack or sand out of the sun. Number 9. Power banks or battery packs. Power banks may seem tough, but their lithium-ion cores are highly sensitive to heat. Excessive temperatures can cause swelling, leakage, or even fires, even if they don't explode. Leaving them in a hot car repeatedly shortens their lifespan dramatically. You're better off carrying them with you or storing them in a cool, dry bag. Number 10. Bottled water sounds harmless, right? But when plastic bottles heat up, they can leach chemicals like BPA and phthalates into the water. Long-term exposure to these chemicals is linked to hormone disruption and other health risks. Also, full water bottles can magnify sunlight like a lens and start a fire on your seat or dashboard. Don't risk it. Carry metal bottles instead, or take them with you. Number 11. Tools. Leaving a hammer or wrench on the seat isn't just messy. It's dangerous. In the event of a sudden stop or accident, that heavy tool becomes a flying weapon. Even a small screwdriver can cause serious injury at high speed. And don't forget theft. Power tools left in work trucks or vans are top targets for thieves. Store them in a secure lockbox or take them inside. Number 12. Medicine. Many medications are temperature sensitive. Painkillers, insulin, antibiotics, or inhalers can lose potency or even become toxic in extreme heat. Leaving them in a hot car even for 30-minute can alter their chemical structure. Store medicine at room temperature or use an insulated cooler for transport. Number 13. Cigarette lighters. Standard butane lighters are cheap and easy to forget but deadly if left in the heat. Pressure builds up and that tiny lighter could explode. This has caused burned seats, cracked windshields, and even car fires in extreme cases. Don't leave lighters in your console or cup holders. Caulk them or leave them at home. Number 14. Canned drink. Soda cans in a car. Disaster waiting to happen. Carbonation plus heat equals pressure explosion. Hot soda cans spray across your car, ruining seats, sticking up the carpet, and even staining the headliner. Want ants, mold, or a weird smell you can't trace? Just leave soda in your car. Number 15. Extra fuel in non-approved containers. People store gasoline in soda bottles, milk jugs, or glass jars. Don't do this. It's illegal and incredibly dangerous. Gasoline fumes are volatile and flammable. In summer, vapor pressure builds and one spark can mean kaboom. If you must carry spare fuel, use a certified gas can and store it upright in the trunk with ventilation. Number 16. Expired fire extinguishers. Fire extinguisher in your trunk. Good. But if it's expired or depressurized, it's just dead weight. Most people don't check their extinguishers until it's too late. Make it a habit. Check the pressure gauge every few months and replace if expired. It could be the only thing standing between a car fire and a total loss. Number 17. Fireworks. Yes, They're fun. But leaving fireworks in your car, especially in summer, can be dangerous and even illegal. Some states ban transporting them altogether. And if you're pulled over near a school or public area, it could mean heavy fines, or worse, criminal charges. Use them, dispose of them, but never store them in your vehicle. Number 18. Perfume or body spray. And cologne. Body mist or deodorant sprays often contain alcohol and pressurized contents. In the heat, they can leak, evaporate, or even explode. Plus, direct sunlight destroys scent molecules, so that expensive fragrance. Now it smells like burnt plastic and regret. Take them with you or store them in a temperature-controlled bag. Number 19. Old car batteries or chargers. Spare parts in your trunk. Be careful. Old batteries can leak acid and cause corrosion on seats, carpeting, or wiring. Chargers with frayed cords or exposed ends could cause shorts or electrical fires. Only transport them when necessary, and always store them upright and insulated. Number 20. Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer became an everyday essential, but its high alcohol content makes it a fire hazard in extreme heat. While it's unlikely to spontaneously combust, leaving it on the dashboard can cause evaporation, leaks, or degraded performance. Travel-size bottles are best carried in pockets or purses, not left to bake in the sun. So there you have it, 20 items that don't belong in your car. No matter how convenient it seems, some can cause damage. Some can pose serious health risks, and others could even get you into legal trouble. Want to protect your ride, your stuff, and your safety? Start treating your car like the moving machine it is, not a rolling storage unit. For more tips on car safety, smart maintenance, and auto hacks, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Here at Carspedia, we help you drive smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and remember, a clean car is a safe car. See you in the next.